Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Pay billing address invalid. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you're having the issue that your Apple Pay billing address is invalid, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So you just have to update your information or your payment method on your Apple ID. So the very first, let's see some more possible fixes. The very first, you just have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings here, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you're connected, try to disconnect with your VPN. Then you have to go back, and from here you just have to try to update your software, because sometimes it might be that your software is not updated, so you might get these type issues. And once you updated your software, you just have to go back and here go for language and region. You just have to select region and select the respective region you're living. And after that, you have to go back, and from here you have to simply open your app store and then tap on your Apple ID in the top right corner. Then select your account, and from here you just have to wait for a moment. It may be you have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password, so you just have to wait for it. And from here you just have to select the country or region option, and here you have to select your country or region in which you are living. And from here you just have to select your country or region in which you are living, and once you have selected, you just have to wait for the next screen repair, and then select continue option, and then select agree in the top right corner. And here you just have to enter your payment method again, so select your credit card, debit card, or your PayPal option here. And once you are selected, you just have to enter your payment card number, or you can try to scan your payment card from here. And here you have to enter your billing address, delivery street, and you have to keep in mind that you have to enter these required statements, and these are optional. You can skip this. And after that, once you have done, you just have to tap on the done option in the top right corner, and your issue will be fixed. Your billing account will be updated to your Apple Pay or your Apple ID, and you will not get this type issue again. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.